Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we got something really simple on the menu, not to mention very quick. I'm gonna show you guys how to make an egg salad sandwich. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Right here we have some thick cut white sliced bread here. You can use whatever type of bread you want, but with an egg salad, I don't like to use that regular sandwich bread because you want to make it more like a meal. So use some thick cut sliced bread. Right here we have our eggs, mayo, finely chopped celery here. We have pimiento here, some sweet relish, green onions. If you don't have green onions, you can use chives. We have chopped onion here, Dijon mustard, some dill, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, celery salt, ground mustard. Have a little smoked paprika there. And this is what we use to make our egg salad. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna add some water to a pot. And we're gonna make it about a ½ inch above our eggs. And we're gonna put our eggs in here. And the reason why you want your eggs to be, the water to be ½ inch above your eggs is because as you know, as the water starts to boil or come up to temperature, it turns into steam, so that what that does is just lowers the level. If you don't have enough water in there, your egg is gonna start frying instead of cooking. So make sure you put enough water to where it's about ½ inch or inch over your eggs, all right? So now we're gonna get this baby turned on. And once it comes to boil, we're gonna let that boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. All right guys, so we're about 11 minutes in. I'm going to shut off our heat. We're gonna move over to our cutting board. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. So once the eggs are done, we're gonna quickly drop them in an ice bath. You wanna make sure you have this already prepared and ready, because what this does, it immediately stops the egg from continuing to cook. And guys, remember, your egg salad is only as good as your eggs, all right? So we're gonna let that sit in there for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. All right, so we are good. Our eggs should be cool right about now. So we're just going to remove these babies, drain the water off of them, or if you just want to change pans, it's totally up to you. So the next thing you're gonna do, of course, you're just gonna get these babies peeled. Guys, take a look at that. Oh man. We're gonna sit that here, and we're gonna do the rest of them, and we're gonna come back. All right, so now that we have peeled all our eggs, we're just gonna take a knife, and we're gonna start just chopping these babies up like this. And I like mine chopped really, really fine. I don't like those egg salads with those big chunks of eggs in it. So, but it's totally up to you, however you want to do it. And once we get it chopped up, we'll bring a bowl right here, just like this. Put this in a bowl like this. All right, so now that we've chopped all our eggs up, we're gonna start adding the remaining of our ingredients. We're gonna start with our sweet relish, our pimiento. And guys, you definitely can leave that out if you want to, it's totally up to you. Ground mustard, smoked paprika, salt and pepper, celery salt, garlic powder, onion powder, green onions, celery, dill, onions, Dijon mustard, and our mayo. And all we're gonna do is get this all mixed well and combined. So as I'm noticing me mixing this up, I'm looking at the consistency of this. This is not the consistency I want on my egg salad. I want it to be a little bit thicker than that. So we're gonna add just a little bit more eggs here till we get that consistency we want. I'm gonna mix that in here like that. I like it to be just a little bit thicker, where it kind of sits on that bread and not just rolls off. See, it's getting a little bit thicker now. A couple of more eggs over here I'm gonna add to it. Now that's what I'm looking for right there. That's the consistency that I'm looking for when I put this baby on the sandwich. And then once I stick it in the refrigerator, which I'm gonna do because I don't wanna eat, or I don't like to eat an egg salad sandwich, you know, at room temperature. I like for it to be cold. So I'm gonna stick this in the refrigerator for about an hour or so. We're gonna come back and we're gonna start building out our sandwich, all right? Guys, there you have it. A simple and easy egg salad sandwich. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Listen, y'all already know it's quality control time. We're gonna bring that egg salad sandwich, that's right, sandwich with 2 M's, to the front of the congregation. Y'all feel me? We're gonna go ahead and take a bite out of crime. Oh man. Oh man. This is some kind of sandwich. Not gonna lie. And listen, you can eat this with a croissant also. And guess what? Holidays coming up, 4th of July. Or if it ain't 4th of July coming up when you watch this, some holiday coming up, you can definitely use one of these egg salad sandwiches or just that egg salad. You ain't even gotta put it on bread. You can just put it as a side dish for your get together. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Man, he just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.